Hi guys, from our previous episode, pumunta tayo sa Melanesian Island in Kulasi, Antique. And now, from beach to mountain, we will take you from Mountain Hill Resort in Aningalan, Antique. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button and notification bell for future updates. Mountain Hill Resort is located at Aningalan sa Tremillo, Antique. So we decided to book in Mountain Hill Resort, but instead of getting rooms, we decided to camp. They offer good for 2 to 4 person rooms with attached washroom. You have full access as well if matitiis nyo ang lamig. Meron ding bonfire if magka-camp kayo. Yo, guys, update. So, nandito na kami sa Mountain Hill Resort. Okay, so around 6 o'clock. Yung kasama ko mga 5 ata, nakantay siya ng Sea of Clouds, pero unfortunately wala siyang nakita. So, ito yung place ng Mountain Hill Resort. Bali nandito, dito kami nag-camping, mag-bonfire kagabi. So, sarap ang lamig ng lugar. Ayan. Maya is mag-breakfast lang kami. After that, baka puntahan namin yung Monte Valle. Konting picture. Tapos, baka mga lunch. Uwi na rin kami sa Iloilo. Mga around 2 hours to 2 to 3 hours na travel din.